Right now, millions of Americans are searching for extra income. Not because they want to become millionaires overnight, because normal life is becoming more expensive every year. Food prices are rising, gas prices are rising, rent keeps increasing, bills never stop, and salaries are not growing fast enough. That is why side hustles are exploding across America. People no longer want only one source of income. They want backup income, extra protection, more freedom. Some people use side hustles to pay bills. Some use them to remove debt. Others use them to escape the traditional 9-to-5 lifestyle completely. And the internet has made this easier than ever before. Years ago, people needed offices, employees, large investments. Now many people are making money from bedrooms and laptops. That is the power of the modern internet economy. Here are 5 side hustles Americans are using right now to make extra money. Number 1. Freelancing. This is one of the fastest growing online income opportunities in the world. Businesses constantly need help online, and skilled freelancers fill that gap. People are earning money with simple digital skills: video editing, graphic design, thumbnail creation, writing, AI content creation, short-form editing, voiceover work. Some people start with zero experience. They learn slowly, then they get their first client. That first payment changes everything psychologically, because suddenly online money becomes real. One client becomes two, two becomes five. Then referrals start happening automatically. And over time, freelancing can grow into a full business. The best part is flexibility. Many freelancers work from home. Some work while traveling. Others work after their regular jobs. That is why freelancing continues growing every year. Number 2, YouTube automation. This industry is exploding right now. People are building channels without showing their faces. Simple videos, AI voice, stock footage, animations, educational content. Millions of views are being generated every single day. Finance channels, motivation channels, celebrity channels, AI channels, history channels. Some creators earn income from ads. Others make money through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. One successful video can continue generating views for years. That is why many people see YouTube as digital real estate. A single channel can become a long-term asset. And today, AI tools have made content creation easier than ever before. But most people still fail for one reason. They quit too early. They upload 3 videos, then stop. Successful creators stay consistent longer than average people. That is the real secret. Number 3. Delivery apps. This has become one of the most common side hustles in America. Food delivery, grocery delivery, package delivery. People work flexible hours. Some work mornings. Others work nights after their regular jobs. The flexibility attracts millions of workers. Many drivers use this income to pay rent or monthly bills. Others save the extra money for investments or emergencies. The biggest advantage is fast cash flow. People can start earning quickly compared to many online businesses. Number 4. Selling digital products. This is one of the smartest online business models today, because digital products can be sold repeatedly. Templates, ebooks, online courses, guides, printable products. Someone creates the product once, then it can continue selling automatically online. This is how passive income starts building. Many creators sell products through websites or social media platforms, and the digital product industry keeps growing every year. People want shortcuts, knowledge, systems, and they are willing to pay for them. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. This is when people promote products online and earn commissions from sales. Millions of people are doing this right now. Through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, email lists. Traffic becomes attention. Attention becomes money. That is the basic internet business model. Some affiliate marketers make small side income. Others build massive online businesses. But all successful marketers understand one thing clearly: trust matters. People only buy from creators they trust. Now, here is the most important truth about side hustles. Most people fail because they expect fast success. But real income takes time to build. At first, everything feels slow. Few views, few clients, few dollars. This is the stage where most people quit. But successful people continue anyway, because consistency creates momentum. One skill improves, one opportunity appears, one connection changes everything. Then slowly growth starts accelerating. Most successful people were not smarter than everyone else. They simply stayed consistent longer. That is why average people stay trapped financially. They stop too soon. But smart people understand something powerful. Extra income creates freedom, more security, less stress, more opportunities, more control over life. The internet has created more earning opportunities than any time in human history. But opportunities only matter if people take action. Start small. Choose one skill. Learn every week. Stay patient. And slowly, your side hustle can become something far bigger than you imagined.